Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful doll hair using wool. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need some soft wool roving, your doll's head, and a reliable, strong adhesive. Selecting the right wool color and texture is key to achieving the perfect look for your doll. Make sure your doll's head is clean and prepared, providing a good surface for the hair to attach securely. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth process. Now that you have your materials, let's prepare the wool. Begin by cutting your wool roving into lengths that are roughly twice the final desired hair length. This gives you room to trim and style later. Next, gently separate the wool into thinner, more manageable strands. This step makes the application much easier and helps create a natural look. You can also gently twist or braid the wool for varied textures. With your wool prepared, it's time to attach it to your doll's head. Start by applying a small, consistent line of strong adhesive along the doll's hairline. Take one of your prepared wool strands and press its center onto the adhesive, folding the strand in half. This creates a loop of hair. Continue this process, attaching strands in neat rows, working your way from the outer edges towards the center of the head for full coverage. Finally, let's bring your doll's new hairstyle to life. Once all the wool is securely attached and the adhesive is dry, you can begin trimming and styling. Use sharp scissors to cut the hair to your desired length and shape. A fine-tooth comb or a brush specifically designed for doll hair will help you achieve the perfect style. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your beautifully re-haired doll.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.